of the tallest. I'm not a short person, no. Don't, you people cannot intimidate me. It's because you are wearing all this your big shoe. Agogo eka omi jumoto wole no. Ami jumoto wole ka wa wi Idoma carnival. No problem. All right.
Ope Abuja ke. Ope Abuja ma.
Ope Abuja.
Omi jumoto wole no.
Omi jumoto wole ni akukra bro. Chaiii. Ope Abuja.
Ole ma ole ena ka mi je chikbeke. O kra Abuja kworo ni.
Agogo yeah. Next carnival, reach out to your bigger brothers. Egebi Owole. I've told you earlier that there is a lot of fun excitement here. You can see because they are not wearing their brand. Do you really? Can you really see this face?
Eh?
I didn't hear you.
I go by the name Edembe of Idoma last born, and this is Mwaba.
Only one Mwaba of Idoma last born.
And this is Odembe.
And this Odembe of Idoma last born.
As you can see, we are just like crew, and we are very happy to be here. And you people can see the environment. Everything is going on, and we are expecting more. And I did very sure say next year go big pass this one. Now the first time they attend the carnival be this one. But with the kind of things where they see so
the
far,
environment,
the setup,
everywhere, like it's something that we have been wishing to attend, but as we came to the venue now, we see all the vibe and we are so happy for everything that is happening. So shout out to our fans, support Idoma Carnival the next year coming. We are happy to be here.
Next year go loud pass this one. Even this one where they do like this now, everywhere boss too. You ain't no call you they miss. Vibes on vibes, you understand? So Idoma Carnival, I think is one among the best. I be the biggest carnival happening so far in Idoma land. And I'm urging all Idoma sons and daughters outside there to support this event. At least it's bringing unity, peace, and love home. You understand? It's kind of fun of like reunity or something like that we find in ourselves. And I pray that the Lord keep this occasion on and more progress to it.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, to me, I don't have much to say though. Like, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so much excited. I want to thank our fans for their love and support. May the Lord bless them.
Big shout out to our fans out there. You there to persist. You never see any of them. You go post online. When are they? Now them Mama P I don't see for here. I mean Mama Peace, Madam Peace. Now she I don't see for here. Big shout out to you, Mama. More work. You are doing a good work. Understand? Don't worry. Good. More strength to carry on your work. You understand? You are doing a very good work. More grace, Mama. The sky is your limit. You usually reach there, Mama. So and advice to upcoming content creators. I'm also an upcoming. You're also an upcoming. You understand? We just pray the Lord lift us more. And the advice is that don't give up. Just be consistency. That is it. There is no magic in content creating. As long as you are unique, you are good in what you are doing. I think the Lord will stretch you more. So we ask for more grace.
Thank you. We love you, Idoma Carnival.
Idoma to the world, Benue to the world. So big shout out to Madam Peace TV. Worldwide.